So cute. Good evening, ma.
Don't tell me you are vlogging.
Yeah.
I've not spent time with them.
Now, so the agent tell me say I have to pay 10K. Same face. Hello guys, welcome to this vlog. Today is a Friday and we decided to come to the hospital to use our NHIS as core members. So as a core member, one of the one of the amenities we have access to is free healthcare. So we decided to use ours because we've actually not used it and we have just less than a month left, so we are trying to use it. So we are trying to use it to see which healthcare service we have access to, but we're told we have to come back on Monday because they've closed for today. So yeah, we will be back here on Monday to use our NHIS. Anyway, since we couldn't use our NHIS and we still have a lot of time left today, so we are going to a friend's house just to go and say hi and just spend the rest of the day. All right, so hopefully we watch. Let's go. Hopefully we watch movie. Sugar. Hi guys. Welcome to John's Places State. Yes. I didn't know you wanted to jump. I believe I can fly. Wow, it's cold outside. I don't know what is that. Mommy Chibuke, good evening, ma. Oh, hello. Can I touch it? Abi, he always he dey gentle, Abi.
It's smelling your hand. Mark up yourself.
Can I touch you? Oh my goodness. You're so cute. You're so cute. Thank you for letting me touch you.